In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to output letters from A to Z in C++. Okay, so as you've noticed, I've already created my C++ file. So this is actually C++22. Okay, so let's now start coding. Hash include. This time we'll just be using stdio for our main library. Stdio.h. We won't be using also namespace. .std. So we have here int main, then car ch. Okay. In C, by the way, since if we're going to use, not in C, but if we're going to use stdio.h, we need to use printf instead of using c out, because c out, by the way, is a way for us to output text or string if we're going to use iostream.h or iostream. But if we're going to use stdio, then we need to use printf. So let's try to see alpha bets from A to Z are, okay, then we're /n. Next, we are going to use for ch equals to A, ch is less than or equals to Z, ch plus plus. Next is you also get to use printf %c /t. Okay, and then comma ch. Okay, let me just try to check this one. Okay, so it should be ch, since basically we'll be using this particular variable. Okay, let's try to put semicolon. Then we have here return 0. Okay, now this time let's try to compile our code, build, and then we have here let's try to build first. Okay, so we have here an error, so it should be printf, not just print. Okay, so again, let's try to build. Okay, as you've noticed, there's no errors. Let's try this time to run our code. Okay, so we already have displayed our letters of A, B, C up until Z.